Hello everyone and welcome back.
مرحبا. في هذا الفيديو سنرى الأعداد من 0 إلى 10 مع أمثلة، ونحن نتعرض إلى دراسة الأعداد بهدف التطرق إلى مواضيع أخرى تحتاج إلى دراية مسبقة بالأعداد. هيا نبدأ.
0. Count back from 10 to 0. Count back from 10 to 0. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 1. There's one thing I want to tell you. There's one thing I want to tell you. I think I need just one. I think I need just one. This is the only one I have. This is the only one I have. 2. I have 2 children. I have 2 children. I need 2 hours to finish this. I need 2 hours to finish this. Barbara's got 2 sons. Barbara's got 2 sons. 3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. There are 3 oranges on the table. There are 3 oranges on the table. You received 3 messages on your phone. You received 3 messages on your phone. 4. I have 4 siblings. I have 4 siblings. He speaks 4 languages. He speaks 4 languages. 3 add 1 equals 4. 3 add 1 equals 4. 5. She eats 5 vegetables a day. She eats 5 vegetables a day. 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. They have 5 bedrooms in their house. They have 5 bedrooms in their house. 6. He works 6 days a week. He works 6 days a week. 6 take away 4 equals 2. 6 take away 4 equals 2. She traveled to 6 countries last year. She traveled to 6 countries last year. I received 6 letters this morning. I received 6 letters this morning. 7. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. We bought 7 bananas at the supermarket. We bought 7 bananas at the supermarket. 5 add 2 is 7. 5 add 2 is 7. 8. 8. John has 8 cousins. John has 8 cousins. This cake has 8 ingredients. This cake has 8 ingredients. My car is 8 years old. My car is 8 years old. Our flight leaves at 8. Our flight leaves at 8. 9. 9. I have 9 neighbors. I have 9 neighbors. He works 9 hours a day. He works 9 hours a day. 9 take away 3 is 6. 9 take away 3 is 6. 10. 10. There are 10 people in his team. There are 10 people in his team. She works until 10 p.m. on Wednesdays. She works until 10 p.m. on Wednesdays. 10 take away 10 is 0. 10 take away 10 is 0. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Bye.
إلى اللقاء.